My journey starts as certified steel. Cut, inspected, and heated to 1200 degrees Celsius. Forging reshapes my grain flow. Each blow consolidates density and removes internal defects. Ring rolling forms my final contour with controlled wall thickness and uniform grain. Heat treatment transforms austenite to martensite, then tempers stress to stabilize my strength. Machining refines me to plus or minus 0.02 mm tolerance and ensures perfect sealing surfaces. I'm validated only after AT, PMI, CMM, and surface integrity checks. Only then am I ready for pressure, rotation, and the world's toughest equipment.